Today we're talking about BMW's B58 engine. We'll cover everything from its design variants, performance, reliability, and maintenance straightforward. The B58 is a 3-liter turbocharged straight-sixth engine produced from 2015 up until today, replacing the N55. It's built on BMW's modular engine concept. Each cylinder is 500cc and related engines share many parts. It has a closed-deck aluminum lock, aluminum head, twin-scroll turbo, direct injection and Valvetronic plus double Venos valve trains. It also uses a timing chain and red lines at 7,000 RPM. Stock power ranges from about 322 up to 382 horsepower. In 2018, BMW released a technical update, which is called B58 TU, single-piece timing chain, split cooling, higher fuel pressure. A 2022 update added port injection alongside the I. The B48 engine is used in multiple BMW models. Entry variants include the 340i, 440i, 540i, X5 40i and Z4 M40i, and even the Toyota Supra has this engine. Higher output engines go into the M performance cars like the M340i and M440i. Also, the B48 won Awards 10 Best Engines 4 times, 2016, 17, 19, and 20. Owners and reviewers often say is one of the BMW's most reliable modern engines. When it comes to common issues, while generally reliable, some issues show up over time, which is oil filter housing failure if non-OEM filters are used, leaky valve cover gaskets and coolant issues, Venos solenoid hiccups and noisy injectors, and cracking in the charge cooler plastic and tank. Since we're mentioning common issues, it would be good to mention maintenance tips as well. So to maximize reliability, always use OEM oil filters, check coolant level and look for leaks, replace valve cover gaskets at first signs of seepage, and keep an eye on Venos and injectors. BMW moved from the N55 to a more modern, solid design. The B58 is smoother, stronger, and more efficient with forged internals and closed-deck block. It's a robust platform, great for tuning or daily driving. In summary, design is strong, power is solid, and upkeep is manageable. That's why the B58 is a favorite among BMW fans and mechanics. If you like this deep dive, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment on what engine we should cover next.